Hi, happy friends! Let's learn about shapes and colors with these fun eggs. Let's crack each of them and take a look inside. Let's open the first egg. It's color yellow. It's a yellow circle. Circle has no corners. It's a round shape. This clock is a circle. A clock tells you the time. Look at the wheels of the bus. It goes round and round. Let's open up the next egg. It's color orange. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 corners. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. It also has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Pizza slices are triangle. A tent looks like a triangle too. Look at all of these triangles. Let's open the next egg. It's color green. It's a square, a green square. A square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Present boxes are square. Crackers are square too. Look at all of these squares. The next egg is color blue. It is the shape diamond. A diamond has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. The kite looks like a diamond. Some of the traffic signs are on a diamond plate. The next egg is color blue. It's the shape heart. Where else can you see the heart shape? A heart-shaped chocolate box? Heart-shaped cookie cutters to make heart-shaped cookies. My next egg is color orange again. It's the shape star. A star has 10 corners. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It also has 10 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The stars in the sky are an example of a star shape. What is that sea creature that looks like a star? Yeah, it's a starfish. You got it. Next one is color green again. It's the shape of a plus. Plus sign is a math operator to add numbers together. 1 plus 1 equals 2. The first aid kit also has a red cross on it. Next one is color yellow again. It's the shape of arrows. There are some arrows on the traffic light. Some of the traffic signs also have arrows on them. The next one is red. It's a red trapezoid. Trapezoids have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. They also have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you look at a watering can from the side, it looks like a trapezoid. The bucket also looks like a trapezoid if you look at it from just the side. The next one is color purple. It's a hexagon. Hexagons have 6 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They also have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beehives are also in the shape of hexagon. Look at all of these bouncy golden hexagons. Nuts are also in the shape of hexagon. The last egg is in the color of red. They are a flower shape. Look at these beautiful flowers spinning. Thank you so much for exploring all these wonderful eggs with me. We learned about shapes and colors and also some counting. Come back soon for the next video. Bye!